Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, in this video I am going to create a Shreya Jain inspired makeup look wherein you'll get to see this beautiful look that she has created. And I just love the way this has turned out to be. I just love the eye makeup. It is just bomb. So guys, let me tell you the makeup look that she has created. So she has used Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Shade is Rose in the Air, and that is a very affordable eyeshadow palette, and I have used the same eyeshadow palette to create this look. And this look is super easy. You guys can do it super quickly. And yeah, for base she has a dewy base, and this is the look. And so if you guys are interested in watching, so be with me till the end of this video. And yeah, let's get quickly into the video. सो गाइज, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग लेट मी टेल यू कि श्रेया जैन का जो मेकअप था बहुत ही ड्यूई मेकअप था. सो फॉर दैट ग्लो आई एम यूजिंग दिस कलर बार स्पॉटलाइट इल्यूमिनेटिंग लोशन. और इससे एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा इल्यूमिनेटिंग इफेक्ट आता है आपके फेस पे, और एक ऐसा ग्लो आता है जैसे एकदम नेचुरली अंदर से ग्लो आ रहा हो. सो I'm using just a pump of this lotion. So guys, before starting I have already prepped my face. मैंने सब कुछ कर रखा था, and after that I'm using this lotion. So guys, for my foundation I'm using this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the shade 115 Ivory, and I'll take a very little quantity at the back of my hand. Then मैं इसे warm up करके, you have to rub it to warm up. और इसे वार्म अप करने से क्या होगा, बहुत ही ईजिली ये आपके फेस पे ग्लाइड ऑन हो जाएगा और बहुत ही फिनिश्ड और फ्लॉलेस सा बेस आएगा. डोंट फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई इट ऑन योर नेक. सो आई एम यूजिंग अ डैम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एंड देन आई विल बी ब्लेंडिंग इट. So guys, this is a very affordable foundation और बहुत ही अच्छे से ये आपके फेस को कवर कर लेता है. एटलीस्ट फॉर मी इट इज़ अ फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन, क्योंकि मुझे इतने ज़्यादा मार्क्स वगैरह नहीं है. सो इट कवर्स माई फेस प्रॉपरली. देन फॉर माई highlighter I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light. I'm using the same blender and I'll be blending it on the restricted areas. जहाँ पे भी मैंने लगाया है मैंने इसे वहीं तक ही रखना है. मैं इसे ड्रैग करके पूरे फेस पे नहीं ब्लेंड करूँगी. You can take it to your eyelids so that it can give you the perfect base for your eyeshadow. So after that you have to set your face so that your foundation and your highlighter. Did I say highlighter in place of concealer? Sorry guys. So you have to use the compact to set your foundation and concealer so that it does not creases. For my contour, I am using this contour from Sugar in the shade Top Topper. So if I talk about her makeup, Shreya Jain's makeup, she has a very sharp face and she has done a contour that makes her face very sharp and very edgy. So I have to apply contour on my cheek area, on my chin area and on my nose area. Now I'll be using this fluffy brush to blend it all together. So guys, you have to be a bit patient while blending because blending takes a lot of time, and if you are in a hurry then आपका पूरा ही makeup जो है पूरा mess up हो जाएगा. So you have to give time in blending. So अगर आपकी forehead भी broad है and if you want to show it a bit smaller, so you can also contour your forehead, but make sure you don't overdo it, नहीं तो फिर बहुत ही थोड़ा अजीब सा feel होता है देखने में. So yeah, it's done. Now for blush, she has used a very pinkish corally kind of blush. So I'm using this pink shade blush. Make sure to dust it off. So guys, I'm done with the base now. So now I'll be quickly jumping into the eyeshadow look. So for that I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow and the shade is Rose in the Air. And for the precise application I'll be using this brush and I'll be taking this pink shade and I'll put the shade specifically on the crease area. You have to take the shade till the end corner of the eyes, but make sure you don't go एकदम corner पे. There is no problem if you are doing a bit messy. अभी हम इसे अच्छे से blend करेंगे तो फिर ठीक हो जाएगा. You have to take fluffier brush than the previous one and you have to take this orange shade and you have to place this shade above the pink shade. Basically the idea behind this is you have to blend the shade and you have to go in circular motion as well as backward and forward motion in order to ensure that the eyeshadow is blended properly. I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'll be taking this transition shade and I'll place the shade above the pink color and you have to blend it. So guys, now you can see it is all blended together. And then after this step she has used a liquid eyeshadow, so I'm not having that shade with me, so for that I'll be doing it with my normal glittery shadow. So basically she has done a cut crease after that, so I'm taking my concealer for that and I'll be cutting the crease. So basically you have to do a half cut crease. So guys, for that glittery shade I'm using my Morphe palette and I'll be using this shade right here. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to take that pink colored brush from which you have applied the pink color and we'll be blending it. So guys, for my lower lash line I'm taking this pink shade and I'll be applying it under my lower lash line. Then after that I'll be taking this orange shade and I'll be placing it below that pink color, and you have to make sure that you have to join the below color and the upper one all together. Now I'll be taking this glittery shade and I'll define my eyebrows. Okay. Now you can take the same shade and place it at the inner corners of your eyes and make sure you can join the same with the lower lash line pink color. So guys, I'll be doing the same on my other eyes and then I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, for my eyelashes I'm using this Lakme Iconic Mascara. This is I always end up doing. Guys, she has not put on a liner, but this beautiful eye look deserves a fake eyelashes, so I'll be putting on this eyelashes off camera and then I'll see you guys. So guys, I'll now be putting on this highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome and applying it on the high points of my face. So for my lipstick, I'm using the lipstick from Wet n Wild and the shade is Give Me Mocha. So this is the same liquid that she has applied. So guys, this is the final look. So I have done the same hairs as she has done, but the only thing is that she has applied a very fancy glittery kind of bobby pins, but I was not having the same, so I have applied the black one, and it also goes with my black dress. So yeah, this is the final look. So guys, that was it for this video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this recreation videos, and I'm thinking to do more such recreation videos. एंड अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कि 1-2 वीडियोस ऐसे ही रिक्रिएशन वाले ही डालूँ अपने चैनल पे. So do let me know in the comment section if you guys are interested in watching the recreation videos. And yeah, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट करते रहो, काढ़ा पीते रहो, एंड ज़रूरत पड़ने पे भी बाहर निकलना. अभी भी बाहर मत जाओ प्लीज़. लव यू. बाय.